To make intermittent fasting easier, I recommend a 7-day Fresh Start program that combines clean nutrition, the benefits of intermittent fasting, with 3 key products that help you fast longer and with ease. Whether you are new to fasting or looking to enhance your results, this plan simplifies everything so you can feel and look your best. First, the clean nutrition part of the program focuses on nutrient-dense whole foods that nourish your body while supporting your fasting windows. Think fiber-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats that keep you feeling full and energized throughout your eating periods. At the end of my talk today, I'm gifting you my bundle of meal plans, delicious recipes, and shopping lists to help you meal prep for the week to save time and anguish. And to support you during intermittent fasting, the 7-day Fresh Start includes 3 powerful steps that help you stay energized, reduce cravings, and promote gut health. Step number 1. Drink 1 to 2 morning matchas before breakfast. This is what helped me extend my fast. Did you know that matcha is Japanese for ground tea leaves? The one that I drink is an organic premium grade Japanese matcha that provides a smooth energy boost without the jitters, thanks to the combination of clean caffeine and L-theanine. It also contains MCT oil, which supports the body's natural fat burning process, helping you burn fat while you fast and be more alert during the fasting window. If you are not sensitive to caffeine, you can also drink it in between meals. It's important to have a 3-hour break in between meals so that you don't become insulin resistant. Step 2. To break your fast, enjoy the Golden Renewal Protein Shake. It's a plant-based protein that helps maintain lean muscle mass. This blend also features broccoli seed extract and milk thistle, both of these support your body's natural detoxification through liver function. Curcumin helps manage inflammation, keeping you feeling balanced and energized. This is not your usual protein powder. It's for a deeper detoxification and should only be used for 7 days in a row, once a quarter. Why is detoxification so important? For those of you who own a car, you know how important it is to have the oil changed in your car, right? It's so important that you have it on your calendar to have it done. So why then do we not put it on our calendar to detoxify our bodies, to make it function better? Now, let's all pledge to put it on our calendars to repeat this detoxification process at least once a quarter. Okay? So, step 3. You can then go about your day as normal and have 1 or 2 additional healthy whole food meals a day, whichever is normal for you. With your last meal of the day or after that, take the OmniGut Daily Probiotic. It gives you 12 billion CFU of probiotics that supports gut health, reduce bloating, and promotes regularity. It also contains zinc carnosine, which strengthens the gut lining. If you have issues like gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, IBS, and so on, this will be an excellent probiotic to take to heal your gut lining. Let me know in the comments if you need help with your gut. Put gut in the comments, okay? So these three products work together synergistically to help you fast longer and with ease, providing the energy and support your body needs during the reset.